In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance API key using the mobile app in 2025. This process is essential for those who wish to connect other applications to their Binance account, whether for trading or portfolio tracking. While we are demonstrating using the desktop version, don't worry, the steps are exactly the same on mobile. So, let's get started. First things first, open up the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Binance account. It's always a good idea to double-check for any typos, as usernames and passwords are case-sensitive. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate over to the API management section. To do this, look for the profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located in the top left corner of the screen. Give it a tap. Within the profile settings, scroll down until you reach the security section. Here, you'll find an option labeled API Management. Select that, and you're one step closer to your goal. Now, you'll want to create a new API key. Start by tapping on the button that says Create API. At this point, you'll need to enter a label for your API key. It could be something as descriptive as Trading Bot or Portfolio Tracker, depending on the intended use. Once you've input a suitable label, tap on Next to keep the ball rolling. Before you can proceed, you'll be prompted to complete a security verification. Binance uses a two-factor authentication system to ensure your account's safety. First, go to your authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, and enter the 6-digit code it provides. After that, check your email inbox for a Binance verification email. This email will contain a second code that you need to enter back into the app. Doing both of these successfully is critical for safeguarding your account. Once verified, congratulations, your API key has been created. Finally, it's crucial to access and secure your newly minted API key. At this juncture, you will see your API key and your secret key displayed on the screen. One-word caution: copy both of these keys immediately. The secret key is particularly sensitive, and for security reasons, it will not be shown again. Make sure you store these keys securely, perhaps in a password manager or a secure file. Losing them could mean losing critical access to your integrations. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create a Binance API key right from the convenience of your mobile device. This is a straightforward but essential task for integrating your Binance account with third-party apps or services. Thanks for watching, and stay safe as you engage in digital finance.